Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute and very beautiful quill square shaped photo frame. So I will show you how to create the stand and how to add these quill flowers. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So it will stand like this and you can insert any photo from top side like this. So let's get started. For this we need some half cut pearls, quilling tool, scissor, liquid glue, 3 mm quilling strips, pink color sheet, some pattern paper, mount board or cardboard. First I am taking this mount board piece which measures 14 by 14 centimeter, and I have added this frame by leaving 3 centimeter gap from all 4 sides. So we have 8 by 8 centimeter inner square. So now I will cut this inner square using my paper cutter. So this is done. Now I am taking one pattern paper which is little larger than this square, and I will wrap this pattern paper around this frame. So repeat this process for other 3 sides. So our frame is ready. Now I am taking one more piece of mount board which measures 14 by 14 centimeter, and I am wrapping it using pink color paper. So this is done. Now I am adding one more pink paper on top of this. This is also 14 by 14 centimeter paper. Like this. Now I will connect the frame with this pink base. So I am adding some double-sided strong adhesive tape on this frame on only 3 sides. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can also use normal glue. I have left 1 centimeter gap between the frame and the tape so that we can easily insert the photo, and don't add glue on this fourth side. Now I'm adding some liquid glue as well on the edges. Remove all the liners. And connect your frame with this pink color base like this. Now we can insert the photo from top. So the basic frame is ready. Now to create stand, I am taking this mount board piece which measures 8 by 8 centimeter, and I am just wrapping it using this pink paper which measures 15 by 10 centimeter. We will not connect this fourth side, we will just fold it. Now I am taking one more pink color thick sheet which measures 12 by 8 centimeter, and I am just creasing from left side on 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Now fold all the creases and it should look like a M. So we will close like this. Now just fold it, add glue on first flap and connect your pink mount board piece on top of this like this. Now I am adding one pink color paper on top of this to hide the mount board. This paper measures 8 by 8 centimeter. Now we'll connect this with our frame. So just check the top side, and on back side we will connect our stand in the bottom center. So just add glue with this first. Connect in the center bottom. Now add glue with this folded flap. And connect like this. So it will look like this from the side. So that's the process to make a stand. It's very easy. And you also fold this stand if you want to gift it someone in the packing. So the frame is ready. Now I will show you how to create this beautiful flower for the decoration. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. Now I am taking one strip of pink color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Like this. Now add glue inside this Malaysian flower petal and connect your small teardrop inside this. Now wrap this whole petal using light purple color strip. Like this. In the same way, I have created total 7 petals. So connect all 7 petals with each other and construct the flower. For the center of the flower, I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Like this. So connect this tight coil in the center part of the flower. So cute flower is ready. Now I will show you how to create this light purple flower. For this I am taking half strip of light purple and I have connected 1/4 strip of peach color with this. First make a teardrop shape and pinch slightly from the top like this. So we need total 7 petals again and join all the petals. And for the center of the flower I am using half cut pearl. So flowers are ready. To create this flower 3D, just take your flower on your palm and push in the center. But the flower should get really dry before doing this 3D process. Now I will show you this leaf. This is very easy. For this I am taking half strip of sap green color and making one leaf shape. In the same way I created 2 more petals, so join all 3 petals and make a leaf. So this is done. Now I will show you this other kind of leaf. For this I am taking half strip of dark sap green and making one bended leaf shape or twisted leaf shape. Like this. In the same way we need 5 petals. Now I am taking one piece of strip and adding glue on both the sides, and now add all the 5 petals with this to construct the leaf. So leaves are ready. Now I will show you how to create this bud. For this I am taking one strip of peach color and I have connected 1/4 strip of pink color with this. Just make a tight coil and then make a teardrop shape like this. Now I am taking one piece of light purple strip and just wrapping it around it. So bud is ready. In the same way I have created some more buds. I have also created some dark sap green color scrolls. If you want to learn this, I have given the link in description box. Now all the shapes are ready, so we are ready to decorate our frame. Just add all the flowers and leaves according to your style. is done. In the same way, I will decorate other corner. So after decorating other corner, it will look like this. Now I have created this small teddy using pencil colors. You can also use sticker to decorate. I have added some double-sided foam tape on back side of this. So just peel all the liner and connect this teddy in the lower corner like this. And I am adding some half cut pearls in upper corner. Like this. So the beautiful photo frame is ready. Now I'm taking this paper which measures 9 by 10 centimeter. So you can take the photograph of this size. You just need to insert from top like this and slide it slowly like this. And when you want to remove your photograph, just slide it upward like this. So the cute photo frame is done. My project is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.